How to enable full-screen caller ID photos for iPhone calls. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Tap on any contact. You can view the contact details over here. Here, tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Go to the top right and tap on Poster. Then, tap on the Choose a Photo icon as shown. Tap on Photo Library. Select the photo you want from here. And then, tap on Done above. Get a preview of the poster and tap on the tick icon. After that, choose an avatar from here as shown. Following these steps, you can easily enable full-screen caller ID photos for iPhone calls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.